Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bhojpuri actress Paki Hegde. So today I added her song and the song name is Misirji Sekele Litti, and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Paki Hegde in this video. So the Bhojpuri song Misirji Sekele Litti featuring Paki Hegde stand as a colorful and high-spirited example of mass-oriented Bhojpuri entertainment that thrives on rhyme, readability, and vibrant screen presence, capturing the earthy charm of regional cultural while packaging it in a commercial format designed to captivate a wide audience. At its core, the song uses the culturally iconic Bihari dish litti not merely as a culinary reference but as a playful lyrical device transforming an everyday ruler symbol into a metaphor for romance, flirtations, and teasing exchanges between characters, which is a storytelling style deeply embedded in Bhojpuri folk traditions where humor and double meanings are often blended with celebratory music. The composition is driven by energetic dholak beat, traditional percussion layer, and catchy melodic loops that create an instantly memorable hook, ensuring that curious linger in the listener mind long after the track ends. The repetitive structure is intentional, reinforcing its appeal for dance performance, wedding celebrations, and stage show where audience participation and sing along moment are initials. Visually, the music video embraces a rustic aesthetic filled with bright costume, lovely image, inspired set, and expressive choreography, and Paki Hegde performance become a focal point that ties everything together. Her confident body language, animated facial expressions, and fluid dance movement inject a glamour and magnetism into the narrative, elevating the song from a single folk bass number into a polished commercial spectacle. The choreography is bold and aggravated, aligning perfectly with Bhojpuri cinema larger than lifestyle and emphasize energy over substyle, which resonates strongly with grassroots viewers who seek entertainment that is direct, loud, and celebratory lyrics. While the song does not attempt deep poetic symbolism or layered storytelling, it succeeds in creating a festive mood filled with humor and light-hearted charm, reflecting the everyday language and playful banter common in rural setting. This simplicity becomes its strength as ensure accessibility across age group and social background. The cinematography complement and the upbeat tone and which dynamic camera angle, colorful lighting, and quick cut that maintain visual momentum, preventing the viewer attention from drifting and reinforcing The song's dance-centric identity in the broader context of Bhojpuri music trend, Misir Ji Se Kele Litti fits comfortably within the genres of formula, catchy hook, cultural reference, and strong female presence, proving once again how star power, especially someone as charismatic as Paki Hegde, can amplify the song popularity, can replay and value. Ultimately, the track may not aim for critical acclaim or artistic experimentations, but it achieves exactly what is it set out to do: deliver unapologetically entertainment rooted in local flavor, celebratory rhymes, and vibrant performance energy, making it a memorable and enjoyable addition to Bhojpuri music playlist for fans who appreciate festive, dance-driven, and culturally flavored song. Baki Egde is a vibrant and entertaining track that perfectly captures the earthy, festive spirit of Bhojpuri cinema, blending traditional cultural reference with high energy commercial appeal in a way that feels both rooted and crowd pleasing at the same time, built around the playful theme of Litti. The iconic Bihari dish, the song cleverly uses food as a metaphor for romance, teasing, and flirtations, which is a common and effective lyrical style in mass-oriented Bhojpuri music, making it instantly readable to rural and semi-urban audience while still being catchy enough for wider digital consumptions. The music compositions lean heavily on upbeat dholak rhymes, harmonium touches, and fast-paced percussions layer with the modern electronic beat, creating a fusion that feels festive and dance ready. And the repetitive hook line ensure that the song stick in the listener mind long after it ends. Visually, the video thrives on bright costumes, colorful village style set, and energetic choreography with Paki Hegde delivering a confident and expressive performance that becomes the central attractions of the song. Her screen presence, lovely expressions, and synchronized dance moves add glamour and charisma, elevating what might otherwise have been a simple folk style number into a full-fledged commercial entertainer. The choreography focus on expressive gesture and exaggerated movements that align with Bhojpuri dance traditions, making it suitable for dance, stage show, wedding, and local celebration, which significantly contribute to the song's popularity among grassroots audience. While the lyrics may not aim for poetic depth or layer storytelling, they successfully embrace humor, double meaning, and playful banter that resonate strongly with the target demographic. And this unapologetic mass appeal is exactly what gives the song its identity. In terms of overall impact, Mrs. Chilsekelility stand as a classical example of how Bhojpuri songs prioritize entertainment, rhyme, and the star power of narrative complexity. And although it may not receive critical acclaim and mainstream music circle. It fulfills its purpose brilliantly by delivering fun energy and repeat value of especially for fans who enjoy lovely dance-driven Bhojpuri track centered around cultural flavor and charismatic performance. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.